Assalamualaikum, I am Siti Muhammad Fauzi from RK85. I'm going to present on mini project Automotive Cooling System. Problem statement 1. Car engine that utilizing mechanical fan easily get overheat. Fan will moderate down, which cause less air to move into engine portion. 2. Chance of failure of thermostat causing depleting car batteries. Hence, the objective for this mini project are 1. To detect if the car is on or off mode. 2. Monitor the car engine temperature. And 3. Turn on fan if the car engine temperature exceeds the normal operating engine temperature. Components and equipment that have been used. Flowchart of the programming code. The first step, start. Second step, initialize ADC. Third step, we will start the ADC and we will check the status. If it is busy, we will go back to the start ADC. If it is done, we will read get ADC result. Then, ADC value is defined, get ADC result. Then we will do some calculation for voltage and we will convert voltage to ASCII and display in 100, tens and 1 place. Then, reading is defined as ADC value and we will clear the flag and return the reading. We will go to the next instruction. After that, we will do initialize for LCD, which is divided into two parts, LCD command and LCD data. Each command has been set for RS, RW, and E pins on the LCD. Next, we will check whether the characters sent or not. If no, we will go back to the initialized LCD. If yes, LCD will display the reading. There are three conditions that we will check whether it's below, within, or exceed the normal temperature, which is 90 to 104 degrees Celsius. Each of them have different kind of output, and then before go to end, this program will keep checking the car engine temperature. Project function. Firstly, start, then key initial. Then system will check engine is on or not. If yes, it will check engine temperature and display it. Then it will check at the temperature in optimal range. If yes, it will display temperature stable, turn on LED green and delay for 5 minutes before it go back to the start. If no, it will display some notification and turn on component to alert driver, and fan will turn on to cool down engine temperature. It also will delay for 5 minutes before it go back to the start. If the engine is off, it will display engine off and go to the end. Coding. We include PIC use and some configuration. Then, some variable has been defined and function prototype and message to be displayed also has been written. In main program, we set input and output and do function call. Then ADC will read and send engine temperature to LCD. Three conditions of engine temperature will be checked, and this instruction will keep looping forever since it in while loop. Lastly, we have function definition that will be called in the main program. Summary. This automotive cooling system serves two vital functions. Firstly, it removes abundant heat from the engine as the fan turns on or off accordingly based on car engine temperature. And finally, it maintains the engine operating temperature where it works most proficiently. As a conclusion, this mini project is done successfully after managing to overcome many errors in coding and simulation result to achieve objective of this mini project. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farosna binti Ishaq and I am the representative for Group 17. So now I would like to demonstrate our mini project entitled Automotive Cooling System. So this is the circuit connection for our mini project. The device that we use is the fan DC, is functioning to cool the engine system. LED green that will turn on when the temperature is stable. LED red that will turn on when the temperature is high. Then we use the LCD LM016L. The LCD as it is the short form for the liquid crystal display to display the temperature of the car engine. Then we use the LM35, the temperature sensor, to check the engine temperature. The microcontroller that we use is the PIC18F4580. And lastly, we use sounder to make noise to alert the driver about the car engine that is too hot and that the fan will turn on automatically. From the system of our mini project, we have set that from 90 degrees Celsius until 104 degrees Celsius as the optimum temperature for a car engine. So, if the temperature sensor detects that the car engine is below the 90 degrees Celsius, then the engine is off. So, the LED green, LED red, sounder, and fan will turn off. Next, if the temperature sensor detects that the car engine is at 90 degrees Celsius until 104 degrees Celsius, then the LCD display will display that the temperature is stable as it is within the optimum temperature that we had set earlier. So then, the LED green will turn on, indicate that the engine is in stable temperature. The LED red is turned off, sounder is turned off, and the fan is in off mode too. So now, we are still in the optimum temperature, which is 104 degrees Celsius. Then, if the temperature sensor had detected that the engine is exceeding the optimum temperature, which is 105 degrees Celsius and above, so now the LCD will display that the temperature is high and that the fan will turn on. So here, the LED red and the sounder will turn on and make noise to alert the driver about the condition. If the temperature of the car engine is increasing, which is it become hotter and hotter, then the speeds of the RPM of the fan will increase too as it is functioning to help to cool the engine's car well. So, that is all from me for the demonstration for our mini project, the automotive cooling system. Thank you.